I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have a microwave with a broken panel. Nice big chunk out of it here, and a chunk out of it over here, and I don't have any idea what caused it. This is in an area where nothing hits it. It's just the upper part. This is the return for the vent system, and since we have it vented out through the ceiling, this doesn't do anything. So, not exactly sure why this cracked. But I'm going to try and glue it back together again because I don't want to have to order another one. And it's pretty inconspicuous. I think I should be alright just gluing the pieces back on. Got myself a Loctite super glue bottle. Yes, Wrangler Star, this is the real stuff. This piece goes right there. And this one has to go in before the one over here does, because this is trapped in behind it. Now I really should have some accelerator, but I don't. So I'm going to be very careful and put the super glue on just where I need it. I've used an awful lot of super glue over the years. That piece is in place. Now we'll try this piece. Looks like I'm going to get a good fit, but there's a couple of little chips missing. Super glue is not a filler. Now, I've seen where you can use baking soda as your super glue to act as a filler, and various other powders to increase the thickness of it. Yeah, I'm afraid that's not gonna be an invisible fix. Because there's just enough material missing out of the joint. Like I've got a little hole right there. Nothing I can do about it. Now this section here, this is the screw that holds the thing together. So I got a pretty good structure to hold that piece in. That's cracked right there, but it's joined on. It's got this piece supporting it, so I should be able to get this thing to stay together. Okay, that's all assembled. Now, in the morning, it should be dry enough and all set up and everything should be good. This part is hidden underneath the sheet metal. This part is going to be visible. But having a bit of a gap in there is better than having the whole piece missing. Surfaces are flush. They're all in line. After it dries, I'll take a little acetone and wipe that surface. Maybe I can get it to wipe down a little bit. Don't want to do it right now because the acetone will kill the super glue. I want to have that set up. Okay, simple enough project. Simple enough project. Unfortunately, it's not a perfect fix, but then, you know, can't always have everything that you want. Let this set up overnight. Take another shot at it in the morning. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. And I'll be happy to have this job done. Super glue is marvelous stuff. It works really good. But usually the things that you need super glue for are these kind of fiddly things. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union. without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.